What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Bitcoin because it is currently getting rejected right now from this weekly EMA candles, and I want to let you know exactly what repercussions this is going to have for the Bitcoin price, for your bags, and of course altcoins and other coins as well. So in today's video, I want to talk about that. I want to talk about my trade right here over on Ubit. I want to talk about the CME gap, and I want to talk about this exact thing right here. I'm going to go a deep dive into the Bitcoin chart, take a look back at previous bear market cycles, what exactly happened, so I can give you the best overview of exactly what's going to be coming in the next 3, 6, and 9 months. As always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, I want to say a massive special thank you to you watching at home. It really does mean the world to me, and to give back to you, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. Comment on every video which I upload. Check back on Monday to see if you have in fact won. And of course, yesterday was Monday, so check back for yesterday's video to see if you were a winner. Of course, guys, you do know that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. Also, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's start off with this, because this is very, very interesting, guys. And I've shown you this before, but it's the weekly EMA candlesticks. And we can see exactly right here how we got perfectly rejected from this first EMA candlestick. Previously, we did push to the upside, reaching around the second one right here. And we can see if we go back and we take a look at when the bull market and the bear market, well, the bull market ended and the bear market started. If we zoom back in right here, we can see that previously we did actually wick above the weekly EMA candlesticks right here back in March of 2022. Once we got rejected from that, again, right here, we wicked above it. We wicked pretty much really just a tiny smidge above it, and right here we actually broke above it and had even 1-2 closes above it. However, that was a fake out, of course, and we saw a dump to the downside. Then we flipped it right here, we held support, we flipped it again, and finally once right here, back here on pretty much the 16th of October 2023, that's when we really started to make our moves, when we did break it. So of course, even if we were to go ahead and break this again, I would be really cautious, guys, right now trading Bitcoin, because it looks like we could be seeing some kind of a downside potential right here. And again, my target, if we take a look back at this chart right here on the weekly time frame and we bring up these EMAs, my target is between $46,000 for Bitcoin. We can see right here $46,000, perfectly aligned with the 350 MA, and approximately $52,000 to $56,000. So again, if you're not watching yesterday's video, my bear market target is somewhere in this range right here, guys. And I really think, looking back from previous bear markets right here, we bottomed in between the 350 and the 300 simple moving average, and again right here it was around the 250. We can only go on the information which we have previously. Of course, I don't know where the bottom is going to be. You probably don't know where the bottom is going to be. If you do, let me know in the comments. Tell me where you think the exact bottom is going to be. And hey, maybe we can look back on this in 6 months or 12 months, and one of you guys may have been right, and that would be very, very cool. So that's where I potentially think the Bitcoin price is going. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart right now to see exactly what is happening, again, it's pretty much boring Bitcoin. The last few weeks, it's been super boring. Again, we saw a break up to the upper level of this ascending level right here of resistance right here in this channel, which we are definitely in my opinion. We broke out really quickly. We wicked out, had a close, 4-hour close above it. That wasn't enough. We broke back down into this box, which I told you in previous videos, I think it would be happening. And now we are currently sitting at this level of resistance at around 76,000. In my opinion, of course, a lot of this has to do with exactly what's happening with the Strait of Hormuz. And we can see right here, Strait of Hormuz traffic returns to normal by the end of May. There's actually a 68% chance now on Polymarket that this will in fact happen. However, I think it's bullshit, because now it's only the 21st of April. We have pretty much 6 weeks until the 5 or 6 weeks until the end of May. So that is a long time for a lot of geopolitical stuff to happen. And I think it would be a really risky bet to take, in my opinion. Also, we do have the CME gap at $77,140, which we can see is approximately 77,000, is approximately here. And again, there would be no reason why we couldn't wick up and take this CME gap. It could be perfectly easy for that to happen. I am in fact still in my trade. It's around $650 in a profit. It was previously at about 5K in a profit as of yesterday's video when we were down here. However, I'm leaving it. If we look at the structure, we zoom out, let's say on the 4-hour chart. If we look at the structure right here, I do think, or even the 1-hour chart, I do think we are going to continue to go lower in my opinion, because we did, again, we had a higher high right here, which is good. However, now we've had a lower high, and I think we're going to continue to go down. If we see another lower low, this will definitely confirm my bias that we are going to go lower. And again, those previous charts I showed you in the video with the 200, 300, 350 EMA, I think that really does solidify where Bitcoin is going. We are in a bear market. If you don't agree with that, slap yourself on the face, wake up. We are in a bear market. Of course, I'm a huge bull on Bitcoin. I want all my Bitcoin bags to just go to $1 million per Bitcoin tomorrow. Of course I do. However, I have to be realistic about this situation which we are in right now, because it's definitely a bearish one. Combined with the cycle, what we're seeing in a bear market, combined with the global politics, if I can say that correctly, global politics, it's really not looking good for Bitcoin right now, guys. I do have some bots though. If you didn't want to have crypto on your mind all the time, you can simply go to my website, copymybots.io. Again, it's just a complete front. You don't deposit any money here. I partnered with Pionex right here, and you can actually get up to $1,000 deposit bonus for a limited time to go ahead and try out these bots. So go to the website, copymybots.io, view the video here. You can understand how bots work, and you can see here it buys low, it then goes ahead and sells high. It's nothing groundbreaking. Bots have been around for a while. However, I am using them as well as my manual trades right here to try and get an edge this bear market. Again, join Pionex using the link right there. Step 1, claim your deposit bonus. Go ahead, click here and choose your bots. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. If you don't want to do crypto, I've got oil, gold, silver, and other things right there. And again, we can see they are all currently in range, which is good because they're not always in range. And these are some of the feedback and some of the results which we have had from these bots in the past. So I really do think bots are good. I don't want to be looking at my chart. I don't want to be going to sleep with a big trade open. I mean, this trade right here is around $235,000. I don't want to be going to sleep knowing that that's on the line and I have to personally manage it. So it's much easier if you just have bots do it exactly for you. So we do have that CME gap right there. We do have a lot of liquidations right here as well, because towards the upside, we have around, I would say probably about 78K. When we start to get above $78,000, that's when stuff's starting to get 78,500 probably is the perfect number right there, 124 million. And again, towards the downside, when we start to get to around 70K right here, there is a lot of liquidation leverage right there. So again, expect Bitcoin to play between around 78 to 70K in the next few days. I think it's only it's just reasonable for it to happen unless something really moves in the market, or if the war stops and there's a peace deal. Of course, the price will spike up to about 80K. And if that does in fact happen, guys, I think that the best case scenario for Bitcoin is we do push up above this 80K, potentially even 82K in the best case scenario, in my opinion. But again, if we keep in mind these EMA ribbons right here, it will pretty much show us where we should be looking, that if we're pushing there, that it could be warning signs on the charts, because right now we can see the top of the EMA ribbon is approximately 86K. So again, like I showed you previously in the previous bear market, when we were pushing out right here back in April of 2022, we did break out of it. Just be careful, because it's in a similar situation right here, even to here right there, where we broke out above 30K right there. We dumped back down below, had a double top, and then came back even further below before finally breaking out. Again, just because we've broken out of the EMA ribbons on the weekly chart, it does not mean that everything is amazing and we are going to be bullish. So just be careful right here, guys, because the maximum is around 86,500. And again, we did already get rejected from that range right there. Again, I really am expecting Bitcoin to come down to this range right here, somewhere in the 50K range. I think, honestly, I know you don't want to hear it, but I do think it is inevitable. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you did want to go ahead and sign up on Ubit, the link is down below. You can deposit 100, wait a day, and get 100 extra as a bonus. And again, if you did want to go ahead and copy my bots and not have to worry about trading and managing your trades and everything like that, it's the easiest way, honestly. Go ahead and join copymybots.io. Again, it's not an exchange. It's just a link with Pinex. I just made this beautiful website so you can understand how the bots work, show the feedback right there from the bots, and of course, explain every bot right there. Super easy to manage. Once you've made your account, just simply click copy bot, and it takes a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching, guys. Do remember that I'm not a financial advisor at all. And of course, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with any of my content or links. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.